supposed to ask me what this is.
No, I don't.
Why?
We're a family of 6 who sold our house, bought a boat, and now we're getting ready to sail around the world. Welcome to our channel.
What you got?
115 bucks. Everything on the boat is 115 bucks or 100 bucks. This is a car. It's supposed to run on our T-track, and I got to see if it works. Our T-track, it's got some dings in it, some bends and scrapes in it. We just want to see if this thing will work. Right there it doesn't, but that's got a bend in it. Look at that. I think we can use it. What do you think?
Better than replacing it.
Better than replacing it, because this piece right here is just shy of $300 for this piece. So, knowing that we can use it is an excellent thing. But I'll get this fixed up and then we can put it on. What we're doing today is we got to mount our T-track to the top of our tow rail. We have to do that because since I replaced the tow rail, I don't have the holes through it that allow the water to drain out of it. And the other day it rained and we came back and it was full to the top of the tow rail with water. But I have bolts that go through this and I have to drill the holes in between the bolts. So I got to know where the bolts are to drill the holes to do that. And we got to get this on anyway. So our goal today is to mount this thing on top of our tow rail because next week is supposed to be more rain. Okay. Alright, I think it's gonna fit now. Woohoo! It still looks freaking crooked as hell when you lift it up like this though.
Well, I can see it doing a wavy line this direction too.
Oh man. Got a screw right there, 2 holes. Got a hole right there, 2 holes. I need one here. So I got to drill a hole all the way through the teak rail and through the top deck of the boat, down on the inside to through bolt this all the way through. Hence the really long drill bit.
First we bolt the tow rail down, then we'll bolt the T-track. Started raining. The water started filling up the side of the boat. It was time to go home.
Never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced a lifeless smile. We were young and drunk and wild. Easily right and started thinking, if it's just love, never goes on drinking. When we grow, never let you down sinking. When we stand next to you.
Set it about right there. Just hold it right there for a sec. You got it? To me a little, not that much. Back a little. So you got to do this here to that screw and that screw. I'm going to go down and try to see if I can't screw them on from inside. I don't know.
The mists were rolling in and everything was wet.
It's getting foggy. I can barely see you.
Fog advisory! Wish I could see out of my glasses though. You ready? It should be getting close.
Alright, it's right on the line.
Right on the line.
Yeah, right on the line.
Reasonable, or did it chip it really bad? It's not too bad. That's perfect.
Yay!
That's perfect right there. Now, I need to go in and get the jigsaw. Either this blade is totally dull at this point, or I fried it.
We got it done, and it works. Subscribe and follow our refit journey. We'll see you next week. Bye!